Now we on Pipidon Island, and my goal is to fly by drone to another island where my beach located. It's a paradise place. There was created the beach movie with Leonardo DiCaprio.
You see, she's on an island. And the island is perfect. I mean real perfection here. I'm not just talking about, oh, that's nice. It's a real fucking deal, okay?
Behind me Paradise Island, and we fly by Mavic 3 and we test how far this drone can fly. I fly on normal mode and speed around 15 meters per second. We already fly 1 kilometer and it's good connection. Wow, it's so beautiful island. Wow, crazy view, crazy blue water, so cool. I can't believe that I can fly so long distance by drone, so crazy. Ooh. I believe I can reach this island. Height 300 meters, already 4 kilometers.
1 kilometer.
2.
Which one?
I don't know, I'm American. I'm thinking miles, not kilometers.
We have 80% battery and it's very good, very nice. We already near this island and we have battery to fly back. Crazy view. Some problem with connection. Already 5 kilometers. Wow. Height 500 meters and it's maximum height. I have already some problem with connection. I lost signal, but it's possible to control drone. We have 73% battery and we already on Maya beach. So crazy view, so beautiful.
It's just like a lagoon, you know, a tidal lagoon, sealed in the cliffs. Totally fucking secret, totally fucking...
Some problems. Some problems with signal. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I can control drone. Where is signal? I can control, but I can see the picture. Connection back and I can see what I shoot. So beautiful. It's a paradise place. It's a crazy idea. I'm very worried for my drone. But view, so cool. I lost signal. Signal back. I won't make several pictures and I won't make panorama. Battery now is 60%. We need fly back, so I make several pictures and we go back. Mission completed. I have 56% of battery, so I need to fly back. My finger is shaking, so nervous.
Beautiful, too much input, too much sensation. I try to keep it under control, but it just keeps spilling out, spilling out, spilling out.
45% and we fly back. It's already 4 kilometers. Wind not so strong. I think I can back. We already near PP Island. Left less than 1 kilometer and 27% of battery left. I can't believe it. I did it. My drone is safe. I'm so happy. So perfect view. It's paradise. It's paradise place. Wow. So cool.
You see, she's on an island. And the island is perfect. I mean real perfection here. I'm not just talking about, oh, that's nice. It's It's a real fucking deal, okay?
Sorry guys for my English. I'm from Ukraine, we have war, and I have big YouTube channel about filmmaking, about drones. Because of war, I decided to make new English YouTube channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Push the like button, write the comments and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.